Danger. Fire.
Welcome to Dreamer in the Innovations projects. Today we are going to see one of the interesting project by using which the paralyzed patients can communicate with the other members. So let us see the project component first. So this is the Arduino Nano microcontroller board, speaker, battery and flux sensor. So battery is connected to the microcontroller board, flux sensor is connected to the microcontroller board and speaker is connected to the microcontroller board in AX mode. So now let us test the project. So basically this project, depending on the flux movement, the voice will be generated. So I am just turning on the system. So now based on the flux movement, the voice will be generated.
Correct.
Good morning. Good morning.
Correct. Danger. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Correct. 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 Thank you.
Good morning.
Correct. Correct.
Good morning. Good morning.
Correct. Danger. Fire.
So depending on the flux movement, the voice will be generated. So this is a simple project. We have only 3 components, that is microcontroller board, flux sensor and speaker, and of course we need a battery to power the system. Thank you.